नरसिंहाय नमस्ते नरसिंहाय प्रह्लादलाधधायिने हिरण्यकाशिपूर्वक्षः शिलतन्खानकालाय इतो नरसिंह परतो नरसिंह यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंह बहे नरसिंह हृदये नरसिंह नरसिंहामधिं शरणं प्रपद्ये तव करकमलभरेणकाम् अद्भुतशृङ्गां दलितहिरण्यकशिपुतनुभृङ्गां केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय विघ्न विनाशा जय नरसिंहदेव विघ्न विनाशा जय नरसिंहदेव जय भक्तवत्सला जय नरहरि भक्तवत्सला जय नरहरि जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय प्रह्लाद नरसिंह जय प्रह्लाद नरसिंह प्रह्लाद नरसिंह जय प्रह्लाद नरसिंह जय प्रह्लाद महाराज प्रह्लाद महाराज प्रह्लाद महाराज जय प्रह्लाद महाराज भक्त विघ्न विनाश नरसिंहदेव भगवान की जय प्रह्लाद महाराज की जय अनंत गौरी वैष्णव वृंद की जय योगा आंजनेय योग नरसिंह अमृतवल्ली तायार की जय अनंत गौरी वैष्णव वृंद की जय. So dear devotees, I thank you all for being part of this group. We are already 3 years in this group, so we have posted various lectures of mine and various posts. So YouTube channel is growing. We have 300 plus subscribers now. Viewership around 20,000, 21,000, 22,000 views. So we are actually Algorisu Srila Prabhupada, Algorisu Sorry Jayapata Swami Guru Maharaj. So see, this is the place we want to utilize it for preaching. I'm sitting exactly the same location. This is first floor of my house in my village. So this is a tourist place. Solinga Narasimha Swami temple is there. Yoga Narasimha Swami temple, Yoga Anjaneya Swami temple is there. Also we have Sholingar, apart from Sholinga Narasimha temple, we also have Tirutani Muruga temple, tourist place. Also Tirupati is 70 kilometers, Kanchipuram is also 70 kilometers. So this is tourist place. We want to utilize this place like a guest house kind of thing. If some devotees come, they can come and stay and do some bhakti devotional service. They can do kirtan, they can read books, they can give lectures if they are interested to give lectures. Can Krishna Katha, we can discuss Krishna Katha, we can chant Hare Krishna. So we want to utilize this place for like a kind of guest house. Also prasadam, we will try to arrange prasadam for you also. If you are willing to come this area, we have arranged prasadam for 30 devotees from Bangalore ISKCON, or maybe from Bangalore, I do not know from ISKCON or which ISKCON, I do not know, but they have come from Bangalore. I know them very well. So they have come from Bangalore. We have arranged prasadam in the Anjaneya temple. We have arranged some prasadam for them, some curd rice, some sweet pongal, and puliyodrai, like that we have arranged for 30 devotees. And also we are regularly arranging prasadam for foreign visitors from Switzerland, Bangladesh, Malaysia, like that. Devotees, they come here, they take prasadam in the Sholingar, means they take the darshan in the Sholingar Narasimha temple, and they come down to our place RK Petai. So we arrange prasadam in the Sundaraja Perumal temple, which is also under renovation. They have built a ratha also. They are also undergoing renovation. It's almost 30 years, 35 years. The renovation has not happened. Kumbhabhishekam also supposed to happen. They are also expecting some support from all of you. So this where I am staying, this is actually Sri Jagannath is residing in my house, means I mean to say it is his house actually. So Jagannath is staying in his house. In this, we are servants here. We are rendering some service to Lord Jagannath, Baladev Subhadramai, and Nitai Gauranga. We brought this the Vigraha from Sri Vigraha from Orissa, Jagannath Puri when I went to Puri. Also Nitai Gauranga DT I brought from Vrindavan. So in that way, Vrindavan DT, Vrindavan Nitai Gauranga is there. From DT from Vrindavan, DTs from Jagannath Puri are there in this location. In my house, means it is George Jagannath's house. So we are rendering some small seva. Some daily offering is going on, flowers offering and food offerings, some rice, some sabji, some dal, like that, something, whatever simple offerings possible we are doing. So pandemic, because of pandemic we cannot expand this mission, we cannot expand the services. So hope you are all safe in your locations. However, if you are visiting this location, you can contact us. We'll arrange some prasadam, some accommodation for you. There are various temples nearby. You can have darshan of Sholingar Yoga Narasimha temple, Yoga Anjaneya temple, and Bhaktavatsala Perumal temple. Also we have in my village also we have many temples. Sundaraja Perumal temple, Anjaneya temple is there, and we are Jagannath temple. We are we are doing some services. Gradually we are building up the devotees. So we request all of you to sponsor for flower seva and prasadam naivedya seva. Also we request all of you to sponsor for construction. We need to clean the house, we need to paint the house, we have to do some cementing works also. I will show you what are the things we need to do. This is the first floor we are staying. In this first floor you see this open terrace. We want to build it like an hall kind of thing. We want to build a hall. If some devotees come, they can stay here and they can have lecture, kirtan, prasadam, Krishna Katha discussion. We can go, and we can do Nagar Sankirtan also. They can do if they come here. So right now we are only doing online preaching. We are not able to do it because of the pandemic. Restrictions. So I request all of you to sponsor as much as possible for prasadam seva, prasadam distribution seva, and prasadam naivedya seva, flower offering seva. Also for construction of this terrace. First cementing works, painting works is there. So cleanliness is next to godliness. We have to keep this place clean as much as possible. The Pillai people in the villages, they are quite new to our philosophy. They do not know many things. They do not know many cleanliness aspects. So we have to train them gradually. The cleanliness aspect. Here they have cows. They have cocks, birds, whatever, some kind of mouse, cat, dogs. All kinds of animals are there roaming around. But inside in my house, the birds will come. The cocks, the hen cocks, they will be moving around. They will be creating ugly scene here. And so many things. Rainy season, something. So water is staying here, and we need to do painting works, cementing works. We need some funds. We are expecting maybe some 2 lakh rupees. We need your support for this seva. You can come over here. You can have darshan of Narasimha, Yoga Anjaneya, Bhaktavatsala Perumal, Sundaraja Perumal, Yoga Anjaneya temple. So many temples are there. You can have darshan of this Divadesam. Sholingar is a Divadesam. You can also have darshan of Muruga. Lord is a Kartikeya, is a demigod, son of Lord Shiva. You can have darshan of the temples also. And we also have Tirupati is 70 kilometers from here. 70 to 80 kilometers from here, and Kanchipuram is 70 kilometers, and Veeraga Perumal is some 50 kilometers. Tiruvallur. Chennai also is 100 kilometers. Tiruvallikani Parsarthi temple you can have darshan, and also you can have darshan of Nityakalana Perumal Kovil. So many places are there, pilgrimage places all nearby. You can, if you have own vehicle, you can travel all these places. If you want to stay, if you are a life member of ISKCON, you can stay in ISKCON Tirupati or ISKCON Chennai. You have to pre-book it, and you can visit these places like Sholingar, Kanchipuram. Best accommodation is ISKCON Chennai, ISKCON Tirupati. Best if you are life member of ISKCON. If you are not life member of ISKCON, you can apply for a life membership of ISKCON. We are also giving you life membership in ISKCON Tiruvallur, and we are giving life membership ISKCON Tiruvallur. So Kanchipuram also they are trying up developing Kanchipuram also. So we are part of ISKCON Tiruvallur. We are Tiruvallur district. So I request all of you to come over here and have darshan of Narsimha, Yoga Anjaneya, and also Lord Jagannath in his house. So in my village. So please come. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please donate as much as possible. Thank you.